action. Alright, so this is the Sony GTK-XB60. Looks like, yeah, the battery's dead because it only comes on when it's plugged in. And anyway, it's not really that difficult. You don't have to take apart all these screws or take apart this side. There's screws under this side. You don't have to do all that. The battery is located underneath these protective covers. There are some screws, and on this side hold this panel to it. You just remove them all. There's a little impression that you just slide the corner of the flathead screwdriver into, and then it should expose. Make sure you keep all these pieces in a cup. Make sure it'll expose these screws that exist here, 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 here. As you put everything in a cup. I've got a drill, but a regular screwdriver works. There's 4 screws that hold this down. And make sure that it's not plugged in and charging when you do this process. Really shocking. That's probably only like 12 volts. But it'll still get you. Now these small screws came out of the top 2, and the long screws came out of the bottom 2 holes. I say the bottom orientation wise, these are the bottom. So now this whole side panel should just snap off. Oh, it must be these screws here still. Yeah, that's right. These do have to be taken out. So there's on the side that you need to replace the battery on. The small screw came from the top. The big screws come from the bottom. There are 4 just this side. Okay, now this whole thing should snap off. Yep. You want to make sure you keep that oriented right when you put it back on. Now what you see is the battery and the battery protective and cover case. There's 4 screws, it looks like, here. We have to take off. Now I've got a replacement battery. You want to make sure that you take these wires off, remembering which color coordination exists on which side. You can't really plug this kind of cable in wrong, and you remove your old battery. If you can, save these little like padded vibration sensor, tape or whatever, and you've got a replacement battery, lithium ion for GTK XB60. You take it out of its bag. Rip it open. Trash, and then you set it in there just like it was, with the new cables oriented in the direction. Make sure your power to the device is off and you don't have it plugged in and charging. Then take your 4 big screws for this plate. Set it down like that. It's a magnetic drill bit tip and attachment, this extender piece, and it comes in handy so you're not constantly dropping screws. And you want a drill bit head that's proper size. And we can go ahead and give it the old power button test to see if it turns on. And yep, did that just interrupt? Anyway, okay, so yeah, now you can see the LED, the battery, yeah, the LED light is on. Press it once to turn it off. But the LED, or the lithium ion batteries that they send us, are usually halfway charged. For some reason this button's stuck on this one. Probably not a very good one to use as an example, but I'm just going to unplug it. Plug it back in. Battery. Alright, so now it's staying on. It's not turning off. I think this battery's... Oh, there we go. I got it off. Button's stuck. Okay, so now you just put the panel back on.
Pretty much gonna snap back in place.
Yep, snap back in place. Actually, it went so well it didn't even have to snap. But remember, the small screws are from the top. Any small ones that you have are going to all be associated with the top portion of this speaker. And yeah, so pretty much done. I mean, how to put this piece back together. It's not rocket science, just like how you took it off. So, alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Smash it down below.